Is it possible to turn on dark mode on Snapchat? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Snapchat. Once you're in the home page of Snapchat, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. And then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and you can see there is no any option or the feature in order to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So the next thing you can try doing is go back to the previous page and then move into settings. Head over to display and brightness. Try enabling the dark mode. Once you have enabled the dark mode, now if you head over to your application Snapchat, you can see that the dark mode has not been enabled, which means that it is not possible to enable dark mode on Snapchat. All you're going to do is wait for the update to be updated on Snapchat itself, and then only you'll be able to enable the dark mode. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.